Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Rockwood number 604-619. This is a door guard is what it is. Typical common unit that you're going to see in hotel applications, motel applications, residential applications, when you simply want to prevent that door from opening beyond, a hand, 3 inches or so. This is the common and traditional sort of door guard. The 604 is representative of the fact that this is Rockwood's traditional door guard. The 619, that means two things. First of all, that it means that this item is made of solid brass. The second thing it means, and when you view the bottom of this, the unfinished part, you can see that it's cast brass. If you've seen enough brass, that's exactly what it looks like. The second thing that 619 means is that this is a satin nickel finish with a lacquer applied. Okay, you're going to get the frame portion, you're going to get the door portion. Okay, you'll get a package of screws and a complementary finish. Now the 604 is available in all of the common finishes: your polished brass, satin bronze, oil rubbed bronze, satin nickel, polished chrome, satin chrome. All those finishes are available. If you typed in Rockwood 604, you'll find all of the available items. Okay. Now, there is below this video a description of the item. Solid cast brass, satin nickel plated, clear coated. Gives dimensions, which we're going to go over in a moment. And then, of course, the fasteners that are included, as we had shown earlier. There is a link below this video to the installation template, and let's go over it now. So it's very simple and straightforward if you just maintain the back set that they call out for the door and the frame. You're going to hold back your frame unit 1/8 of an inch from the edge of the jamb to where the plate starts, assuming that the door swings this way. Hold that back 1/8 of an inch. You've got your, mark, transfer, pre-drill your holes, and that's really all there is to it. The door portion, you're going to hold that back 7/8 of an inch from the frame plate. Okay, so 7/16 between those two, and obviously when that door opens, we all know what happens. Locks like this. Door closes. Flip that back out of the way, then the door operates properly. Typical sort of dimensional height, 54-inch above the finished floor. Standard conventions say that a deadbolt is typically 48-inch, plus or minus. That lock is somewhere in the 40-inch range if you're dealing with ADA compliance. 40, 48-inch, 54-inch, that sort of logic that's going to happen. If you have special ADA requirements, you might want to refer to that prior to installing it. So mark your holes. What I like to do is mark the holes on the door. I like to do a reality check as best as I can. Confirm that the operation is as expected or anticipated. Once I'm very sure that I have everything located per the template, meaning I didn't put this on the door and I didn't put this on the frame, that sort of, common mistake, I will then pre-drill all my holes, simply attach and test for proper door operation, as noted in steps 1 through 3 of the installation instructions. Also below this video is a link to the document called Product Brochure, which will show the 604 along with the 603 version, which is the very same concept, just a slightly different design. Probably see the 603 not nearly as much as the 604. The 604 seems to be more common for us to sell. But there is a new item that I wish to bring to your attention as well. That item is the Rockwood 607. That is a relatively new privacy door latch that you're going to see very commonly in hotel applications. It's a modern design and modern look on these items, and it's has quickly become more popular in new installations, certainly, than the more traditional 604 version. There is also, you'll see often when door guards are installed, the casing is really never flat. But I very often will see casing that's been chiseled to allow a flat surface for both the face of the door and the jamb. There's really no elegant way around that, so you'll see that installed often. Obviously, if it's a fire-rated wood door and a steel frame in a hotel application, not much to work around because it's all compatible immediately. But you see some older hotels with very ornate casing. It's not uncommon to see provisions made in the casing for door guards to be installed. So the 607, very common and popular as well. There is finally a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Rockwood products that we sell, okay, but a link to the manufacturer's ever-evolving, ever-improving website. And then finally a link to the manufacturer's product catalog, but also their architectural door pull catalog, which is called their RM series, which is all of their custom manufactured architectural long door pulls. If you've ever come into a door and that pull was 4 foot, 5 foot, 7 foot, 8 foot long, it's very likely a Rockwood product. If you have any questions on the Rockwood 604-619 door guard, satin nickel finish, or any other Rockwood product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.